The best thing about working at Triovest is the culture and the fact that everybody is passionate about sustainability.
At Triovest, sustainability is more than just a practice. It is part of our core identity. We manage a portfolio of retail, industrial, and office properties on behalf of some of the largest pension plans across Canada. One of the main ingredients to achieve our sustainability goals is to take full advantage of operational and behavioral savings at our properties.
The projects that we have implemented this year are LED lighting retrofits, high-efficiency equipment upgrades, including addition of VFDs. We've made operational changes through the building automation system, which includes addition of occupancy-based controls, set point changes, and we have even implemented behavioral changes throughout our building portfolio. This resulted in curtailment of a lot of the HVAC equipment, including boilers, heat pumps, fans, pumps, etc.
So when you look at retrofitting a building, the biggest challenge I find is once you start getting budgetary numbers and costs, is convincing the bosses that spending that money is going to be worthwhile.
I would suggest approaching energy efficiency and sustainability initiatives as an investment rather than a cost.
SaveOnEnergy incentives go a long way to help take cost out of a retrofit project, and they can add up dramatically throughout the entire building, and for the tenants, it's money saved as well, so they're quite happy.
Winning this award is a testament to the fact that whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve.
This is a big win for the organization because energy management and sustainability is deeply woven into our day-to-day operations.